I've been using dash cams for many years. I used to drive for Uber, so it was very useful for me to have one. Now I think it is essential for every vehicle to have one too. But if you go to Amazon, you will notice there are hundreds of dash cams available. So which one is the right one for you? Which one will perform and deliver good quality video when you need it? Well, today I have the new A510 by 70mm. Now this dash cam delivers stunning high quality videos with excellent low light performance, dual channel camera, front and rear recording, built-in GPS, optional 4G connectivity, advanced driver assistant, easy to use app control, and much more. So let me show you what's inside the box and the installation process. Now, first of all, everything is very well packaged. Here's a camera. It is very slim. Now on this side, we have the SD card slot, USB-C port for power, and AV port for the rear camera. Now the camera is a Sony Starvis 2 sensor that is great for night vision and outstanding HDR performance. Now here is the rear camera. This is a 1080p camera with also high level of detail. Here is the power adapter for your car. And I'm glad they're using this type of adapter because I can also use the other port to charge my phone. Now here is the cable for the rear camera. It is very long, so it can be used for any type of vehicle or SUV. And there is also a cable for the main camera. 70mm also sells a hardwire kit. This unlocks other features like 24-hour parking surveillance and time-lapse recording, but in my case, I will be using the easy method. The camera has a 140-degree view, so make sure you center it so you can take advantage of the whole field of view. Now running the power cable can be a little tricky, but you can also use the included plastic tool to hide the cable around the window. Now connecting the rear camera can be a little bit challenging, especially since I have an SUV and the rear window is part of the door. So I ran the cable through these connections here and it worked out very well. My biggest challenge is to run it through the ceiling all the way to the front. Then I realized that there are airbags around the car. I honestly don't want to mess around with airbags because they can go off anytime. So for the moment, I decided to just temporarily use a white tape to hide the cable, but I do want to hide it professionally. Now you can use the menus from the camera, but I highly recommend to download the app. It connects to the camera via Bluetooth and you get access to all the settings like video resolution, clip duration, but most importantly, you can preview and download the videos you want directly to your phone without disconnecting the camera or removing the SD card. Now let's talk about what matters the most, picture quality. Now the front camera has a 5-megapixel sensor with 1944p resolution and HDR or high dynamic range. Now this delivers excellent detailed picture quality, which is essential when on the road since accidents can happen at any time and they happen very fast. And the same goes with driving at night. You want to be able to read license plates and detailed view of everything, and this camera delivers just that. And the same goes for the rear camera. Although the rear camera is running at 1080p and is behind a tinted window, you can expect the same level of high detail when driving. Although at night is when the rear camera struggles. I did notice more pixelation and overall lower level of detail. Maybe they can improve on that. There are also other important features I never seen before, like advanced driver assistance, which tells you when you change lanes or when the front vehicle is moving or front collision.
Who talked?
Sí, mira.
Lane departure.
¿Viste?
¿Pero qué dijo?
Lane departure.
Oh, lane departure.
Vehicle ahead motion detected.
There's also GPS, which tells you information like speed and coordinates, and once you download the video to your phone, it shows you the GPS map as well. Overall, this is one of the best dash cams I have ever tested. It really delivers a high detail picture, it's easy to use, and I love how it looks in my car, compared to my old camera. The only feature I miss is the inside camera. If you drive for Uber, having the inside camera is a must. Hopefully they add it on their next camera design. If you're interested in buying it, the camera sells for $139.99, plus there is a 20% discount on Amazon. And for a limited time, you can use my 5% discount code. I will leave a link in the description of this video.